Yes, friends, today's topic is how to trade tokenized Nvidia stocks on Binance Global. How to trade via mobile app. I am Emra Atta. Welcome to my video. Before we start, I have something to say. There is a referral link below this video, BESTCODEMAX or FUTURESMAX. You can use these codes with peace of mind. Now let's move on to our video. Yes, friends, firstly, you can register for Binance Global using my referral code. This code provides great benefits, including a 20% commission rebate on spot trades. As I mentioned earlier, you also get a 10% commission rebate on leveraged transactions. You may complete this form with your Google, Telegram, or Apple account, or simply use your email address or phone number. In the next step, we need to perform KYC verification. KYC is mandatory to buy tokenized American stocks or to benefit from Binance's advantages. Also, for the security of your account, please do not forget to activate two-factor authentication. Now first, once our KYC is finished, we will use our phone for the following steps. Depositing funds. By the way, you can complete KYC with your passport, residence card, driver's license, or national ID. Now, how do we deposit money? We click on the wallet section. Next, we click on the add funds option. Pick the best option for you. I choose to buy with US dollars. On this screen, we will buy a stablecoin. You can buy Tether or USDC. I will show it via Tether. I am writing $500 here. After entering $500, when you click on preview order, the transaction will take place. After confirming. Now we need to go to the market section. For this, we click on the market section from the menu below. We select Nvidia from here. We click on the buy section. As you can observe, this is how you purchase tokenized Nvidia stocks. The red ones you see on the left are sell orders. The green ones are buy orders. The middle is the current Nvidia. Stock price. We had $500. To make a purchase here, choose from the red one. You can choose one of the ones between the bottom and the top. After clicking, I write 500 here and click on the buy section. This is how you can easily purchase tokenized Nvidia. When you want to sell, I click the sell button. This time, using the menu on the left, I click one of the top two greens and enter the amount of stock I hold. Then I click the sell button. It is that simple and easy, friends. Nvidia's tokenized stocks. You can trade in this way on the Binance Global application. Yes, friends, Nvidia stocks. How can you trade Nvidia from tokenized American stocks? I wanted to show you this in this video. I hope it was useful. Please do not forget to visit Binance Global's Academy pages. Learn to conduct your own analysis, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Best regards, Emra Atta.